So for 5 hours, well, almost 6 hours, and I got.
I like a new Lincoln with all of its class.
What is going on, guys? Welcome to Wrenchettes. We're now in the walk of this beautiful G35, but I laugh as well. Now today I'm gonna give you guys a little update on the first day back to driving for rideshare. Now, little update on Uber. Uber, I couldn't log in because it has my account has a technical error that I had to call in, and the lady couldn't fix it. So they sent a ticket to the hierarchy techs at Uber to try to figure out what was the problem, because all my documents are current and nothing is expired. I have no complaints, I have no violations. So that is the main problem with my account. I don't know what they're doing over there, but I got on Lyft, and on Lyft I made these amounts. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me see. See that? I made $225 today with 9 rides. There you go. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know. I think you can. I think it turned off. Wait a minute. 9 rides. Look at that. 9 rides in 5 hours and 42 minutes, and I got $225. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Because let me tell you, Sham, there's been times that I've been doing Uber and Lyft and Via, and I don't make $250. You know, on those really bad days that nothing goes good. Yeah. So for 5 hours, well, almost 6 hours, and I got $225. Not bad at all. Now, a little update on my unemployment. I'm still fighting the unemployment offices because they want proof of the yin-yang. I think the last time that I faxed something to them, I faxed over 60 pages of records of papers and surveys that they have sent for each of my employers. That means Uber, Lyft, and Via. Now, they also thought Via and Flatiron was 2 different companies, and Flatiron and Via are the same thing. So they send double the paperwork for Via. I have to tell them, hey, listen, that is the same company. What are you guys doing? But they still want me to resend my 60 plus pages back to them because they couldn't read them. Now, in my personal opinion, they're just trying to make it hard for me so I don't get my benefits. But guess what? I pay my taxes. This is what I pay my taxes for. So if I'm due unemployment benefits, that's what I'm asking for. Nothing out of the legality. Now, after this video, I will send those 60 plus pages back to them, and I would use another faxing services, because if you go to a shop around here, it's $1 per fax. Now, if I sent over 60 pages, that's $60 plus I have to pay in the store. No way. But if you enjoy the type of content, please give me a like on this video, and if you're new, please consider subscribing. Until next time, guys, God bless.